Hey guys, Min here, back again with Your House Fitness. Today we're going to talk about the Pallof Press. The Pallof Press is an anti-rotation core exercise, and it's going to involve actually your whole body when you do it, legs, arms also, so it's a good full body exercise, but primarily it will work anti-rotation of your spine, okay? That means you're not going to let your body twist against a weight. So if someone comes pushing you, okay, instead of letting your body turn and you say hold yourself in place, that's called anti-rotation, okay? And this is a great exercise to do if you want to strengthen and even grow the obliques. This is the V muscle, the abs. It's what a lot of people desire. It looks good too, but it's tremendously great though for your lower back health. I will often prescribe this for people who want to grow, either strengthen or grow their core muscles, or just have the healthier spine, okay? There's a lot of data that supports this. I'm a huge believer in the Pallof Press. So let me demonstrate how you do it. First, you can use either a band or a cable machine. I'm gonna use a band just in this case. And you're gonna have it anchored towards an object to your side, okay? It could be just like this. Cable machines, you can play around with the angle of it, okay? You can also go low, or you can have the cable coming down. Either way works. I'm gonna grab the band or the cable. I'm going to go into an athletic stance, okay? If you ever play volleyball, basketball, it's basically like a quarter squat. You're going to sit into it, brace your core, and be ready for it, right? Before we can start any movement, I want to get a good core brace going on. I'm going to keep my ribs down. You can do this by exhaling very fast, like so. My core is engaged. This is like your rectus abdominis, your six-pack muscles are not firing. I'd like to then also push the side of my abs out, and that's going to get my obliques engaged. This is the prime muscle working to maintain your stability, okay? I like to flex my glutes and my legs also, just that way my hips don't start moving also. Once I have the band, I'm going to clasp it with both hands. Doesn't really matter how you do it. Keep my shoulders down, and I'm going to try my best to press in a straight line, okay? Obviously the band wants to pull me this way. I can't let it happen. I have to keep in the middle, and if I over-rotate, it just becomes way too easy now. So I'm going to keep in the middle and just focus on pressing straight out, like so, okay? And the entire time, I'm bracing my core, I'm pushing my sides out, I'm flexing my legs. A couple things will happen if you don't do this correctly. Obviously, you can over-rotate or just give in, but sometimes you will push so hard with your legs, you actually just throw yourself into a bad position. So even though it's a core exercise, your legs are still working. Keep those knees out, flex your hip muscles, okay? Keep everything engaged. I'm gonna do, say, 10 to 12 reps, or you can time it also. And once you're done, you have to switch sides, okay? So if I rotate over to this side, I'm now going to be working the other side of my core, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Make sure when I'm pressing this whole time, the band stays in the middle, I don't over-rotate, nor do I let the band take me. And that's the Pallof Press.